Welcome back to Bibliobazar Course Market. Now that you've successfully created your vendor account, let's dive into the exciting process of creating your first course. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it a breeze to share your knowledge with the world. After logging in, head to your dashboard. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and verified your withdrawal method, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your profile is complete and your withdrawal preferences are securely stored. Look for the Create Course option. It's usually prominently displayed for easy access. Click on it to begin the course creation journey. You'll be directed to the course details page. Here, fill in the essential information. Add a catchy title, a detailed description of your course, and any audience requirements. Specify the materials needed for the course, ensuring clarity for potential learners. If you have an introduction video, don't forget to add it at the bottom. Enhance the visibility of your course by adding a captivating featured image. This is the first thing potential learners will see, so make it engaging and relevant to your course content. Now time to add main course. Click on a topic, fill the details, and add course video. Remember, this is the secured place for posting your main course. Users can only access after enroll. At this stage, select the free option initially. Later you can change as paid course. Once you added the course as product, then link the course and sell it. Check the link for adding product tutorial. Once all the details are in place, save your progress and head to the next step. With all the details in place, it's time to publish your course. Click on the Publish button. Your course will now be sent for approval by the admin. This process typically takes up to 24 hours. Once your course and product of the course approved, click on View Course, then unselect Free and make it paid. You will get option to link product. Select your product with same name. Update the details to save. And there you have it. Creating and selling your course on Bibliobazar Course Market is a straightforward process. Remember, your knowledge is valuable, and this platform is here to help you share it with the world. Best of luck on your teaching journey.